Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X1 key battery. First, let's prepare by gathering the necessary items. You will need one new CR 2032 coin battery, which is commonly available. Also, have a small flathead screwdriver or a coin ready to help open the key fob. Make sure you are in a well-lit area with a clean surface to work on. Now, let's open your key fob. Begin by pressing the small button located on the side of the fob. This action will release the metal valet key, which you should then pull out. Once the valet key is removed, you will see a small slot. Carefully insert the valet key or your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently pry off the back cover. With the back cover removed, you will see the old battery. Gently pry it out, paying close attention to its orientation. The positive side, usually marked with a plus sign or lettering, should be facing upwards. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly into place. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the back cover with the key fob casing and press firmly until it snaps securely into place. Next, slide the metal valet key back into its slot until it clicks. Once everything is reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure they are working correctly. Your BMW X1 key fob battery replacement is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.